The bird and the grass. This is a bird. Look at the bird's beak. Is it wearing a shirt? Look at the bird's legs. Are they wearing a shirt? Is this bird a stork? No, it is not a stork. What color is it? What color is the bird's beak? Look at the bird. It is in the sky. The sky is blue. Can you see the clouds? They are white. Can you see the clock? It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The sun is shining. It is very hot. The bird is very hot and tired. There is looking for some, and it is looking for some water. The bird is looking down. What can it see? It can see trees and houses. Is that a river? There is water in a river. No, it is not a river. It is a road. There is no water. No water. The bird is very tired and very hot. The bird is looking down. What can it see? It can see the sea. Look at the sea. Look at the ships. There is water in the sea, but the bird cannot drink it. There is salt in the water. The bird is very tired and very hot. What can the bird see now? It can see the house. There is a table near the house. The bird is going down. Now we can see the house. There is a door and a window. There is a table, the window. There is a grass on the table. There is some water at the bottom of the grass. Near one leg of the table, there is a bowl. It is dog's bowl. There is no water in the bowl.